Hello, very good evening. When we do rigging, occasionally we come across chances where we need to synchronize the left and right side to a single direction. For example, if I have two joints selected here, and when I rotate them, I typically want them to go on the same direction. For example, in my case, I have a rig that basically is going in totally opposite direction. However, if I would like them to go actually in the same direction. For example, like this. So if I have a forward, see this, they both are going forward, they both going backward. It becomes easy to control this rig when we are creating the rig, because both the joints are following same directions. How do we do that? How do we set up that the both rigs basically, or the both part of the joint follow same direction? Now there are multiple different ways to doing that. One common technique that I adopt sometimes is just by setting up an expression that allows me to have control and synchronize the basic motion. So what we do is, for example, I have this main parent selected. Parent means that this is the driver that basically controls or defines the other motion. So I have set and go into Windows, go into Animation, go into Expression Editor, and within Expression Editor, for example, server rotate Z. I select the rotate Z, drag it, drop it down here, and then I write an expression that basically it controls that when I move the right joint upwards, the left also follows upward. When I move the right down, the right moves also down. So again, I Control C, copy, Control V, and just name this left. Now I know this name because I've named them. The upper arm 01L, rotate Z. This is what I want, but then I again want this to be the negative direction. So I press minus, and then this is the expression that I create, that upper arm joint name dot rotate Z. When I rotate Z equals to the negative of upper arm line left axis. So this the left arm basically rotates negative in that axis. I click on create. Then now if I go into the Z axis, if I go back in this one, you can see this. Okay, now when I rotate the X left arm, basically my right arm goes upwards. If I rotate it down, they basically follow. This is exactly what I want. Now in this case, actually my left arm has become the driver. I was actually supposed to make the right arm driver. So obviously you can flip the equations you want, but you get the idea that you can do this very quickly, very simply by writing an expression. Again, professionally I don't recommend that sometimes because it bounds to a very greater extent. There is another way of actually flipping and controlling the normals of your joints, which I will be showing you in later on videos. But sometimes becomes very easy if you're not doing it for only arm, but for any other purpose you want in rigging. Sometimes you need to control one joint that actually does the inverse or exactly same on the opposite axis. So we can write the expression on that. So if I have this joint available on rotate Z, we have an expression. The right arm joint is being controlled by the left arm joint with the negative value. So whatever left arm is doing, basically it's actually mirroring that on the right side, or vice. This is Dr. Zishan Bhatti from Zishan Academy. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, kindly do click on that icon down below, on the red icon, subscribe, and do make sure you click on the bell icon so you receive the updates and regularly on all these videos. Thank you very much. See you around. Fi Aman Allah.